Hey, say cheese. You ready? Woohoo! You want to go on that? All right, well, does that look fun? It's your first time doing it, huh? Last time you were too short. Woohoo!
We're going to the valley. Hey, there y'all are. Lewis is up ahead. Let's join him and find a band for our celebration.
Woohoo! Sit down. You have to sit.
Anyone down here who can blow
Stay sitting.
Hello?
Hey, scoot over here. I got you. Thank you. No, you have to sit. Jaxson. No, over here. All right, Jaxson. Slide over here, please. Slide over here. Nope. Over here. Now, please. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come over here so you can see. All right, hold on. That was a little chilly, huh? No, over here. Oh, look at the big alligator.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Zydeco band she found can play. Hallelujah.
They can play, no doubt. We last been to the band show.
Going down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou, jingle all the way.
Yeah.
This rah-rah band can jam.
I'm asking all of them to play the cards. We've got such high low. I hope they all come
Say
to the
hi.
party to play. But let's explore more, big more.
How's this?
All right, you ready? Was that one fun?
Where did they go? We have to find them.
You see? Look at that frog. Whoa.
Done that. You found the sound. That was great.
Hope you enjoyed getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, old, beautiful self.
All right, you ready? Here we go. Woo! Was that fun? Hey, was that fun?
Yeah.
You want to do it again?